It's really hard for me to get used to trusting the vehicles to not run me over. But I haven't seen anyone get hurt in the week I've been here, so I'm trying. Juice shop here. Oh, it's got sugarcane juice. So which is your favorite?
Pomegranate, pineapple, orange, sweet lemon.
Pomegranate, pineapple, and orange. Let's get one.
Sweet lemon.
Mix.
One.
One, please. So you got a cup of pomegranate. Let's go back here. So you put a cup of pomegranate, a piece of pineapple. Is that going to be it? Oh, there goes the orange. Oh, the pup comes out back there. That's interesting. Here we go. Thank you. This is pomegranate, pineapple, and orange juice. It's very good.
Yes.
Very good. Is this your best seller? All right. And that is 200 rupees? Right.
This 200, this 150.
Thank you. See you again. All right, that's the juice shop experience in Kathmandu. Today we're going to a market called New Road. New Road is supposed to be the busiest road in Kathmandu, and the market there is supposed to be something to see. It's about a 17-minute walk, so maybe we'll see some interesting things along the way. So a couple of the first things you notice walking in Nepal, number one, they drive on the left side of the road. So that takes some getting used to if you're from the USA. Number two, the roads aren't really wide enough for people and traffic, and there are no sidewalks. So the people just walk down the road, and for the most part, the motorcycles and cars avoid them. I have yet to see her crash here. Let's step in here. I just see the stupa. We'll see what's going on, huh? Lots of embroidery shops here. You can give them a design and come back the next day and they'll have your stuff ready for you embroidered. Just walking around Nepal, you're going to run into stupas. A lot of the old buildings like this are still propped up from the earthquake. Namaste, how are you? They all have these big bells too. Sometimes people ring them. I'm not sure what the significance is of ringing the bell. Therefore, I won't do it. And then like this one, sometimes the temples are locked up and only open on certain days or certain times of the day. I'm sure there's a reason for that I don't know. Every block or two there's something religious. I don't really know what they mean. But if you stop to look at every one, you'll never get far. These old buildings with the carved wood. Oh, hello. Parrot? How much is a parrot?
This is 3,000 rupees.
340 rupees?
3,000 rupees.
3,000 rupees. Oh, 3,000 rupees. Oh, he's got a bunny rabbit. Then what about these?
This is finch.
Finch? How much is a finch?
It's 2,000.
Oh, 2,000. Okay.
Oh, cool. You come to fly.
You just let them go, huh? I've seen that before. Yeah, where you let them go. Thank you. Okay, so that's the deal. They do that in lots of Asian countries. You buy the birds and you pay for them to let them go, and then you get good karma for letting them go. The birds are free, they get caught again, and the cycle repeats itself. There are little squares full of temples all over Kathmandu. In the evening time, you'll see many pit merchants out here selling their goods. It's an impromptu flea market. You guys think I should get it? I could get it and I could wear it home. I wear it every day. That's a temple and they just turned it into a market, huh?
Good. Yes, good. Very good, sir. Very good price.
Everywhere you go in Nepal, there are these little alleyways. And if you take one down, you'll find a whole nother dimension of shops. You see how hard this one is to walk in. This way it's thick like this for at least another block or more. Bikes double or triple parked in the road, that doesn't help.
You can see just how hard it is to get around these tiny ancient streets. It's a bit of a free-for-all with no discernible rules, but everyone seems to try to avoid accidents.
Well, we found the parking garage. All right, I think we're getting close to the market now. I saw this gate in the pictures talking about the market. I think this marks the entrance to the market, maybe? We're very close. It's a street market. Google says we're here. I always cross the street with the locals. So that is New Road. It's supposed to be the most traveled road in Kathmandu. Okay, looks like the place where you can catch a van or a bus. Okay, it appears the craziness has ended. That was an interesting walk, but it wasn't what I expected. I had heard it described as a huge market on the street. And what we saw people waiting for buses, and yeah, there was a few vendors, but what I read said you could buy anything there. Street food, everything else, that certainly wasn't the case. And I'll show you this tower here. They're building this tower. I was told it's just a view tower. The snow-capped Himalayas back there. At least I can. Maybe it will zoom in enough for you to see. So they're pretty close. Check this out. I'm walking down these crazy streets and my sciatic nerve starts hurting, so I'm looking for a place to sit down, and I see this garden. It's got a freshwater tank over there. It's got stools. There's a little bit of peace in the big city. And the thing is, it's a triangle and it's got roads on every side, and I'm the only one in here. There's a sign by the gate. It probably says no gringos, but I couldn't read it. It's in Nepali or whatever. So we'll keep going. Well, here we have the KKFC. It's the same as KFC, except it's better because it has one extra K.
Occasionally I'd see a sign like this explaining the stoplight, but I never actually saw a stoplight.
I thought I was filming, but I think I wasn't. This truck just pulled up and dropped off about 6 or 8 of these white bags, and these guys scooped them up, put them on their back, carrying them to the store they go to up here in an area, I guess, where a truck can't go. Hell, it's hard enough for a person to go up here. At this point, I don't really know where we're going. We're just walking through the city, through the markets. There's so many of them, you couldn't see them all in a month. Always little alleyways that open up. There's always more, always more. It's all these intersections. He's making popcorn. You hear it popping once in a while.
These tiny alleyways have branches in every direction, and they're very seldom square, so it's easy to lose your direction. It's at this point I recognized that I had been here already earlier in the video, and I thought I was going the opposite direction. Yep, I've definitely been here before. Time for a course correction. I like to think I have a good sense of direction, but if that's true, Kathmandu is dulling my senses. Even after my course correction and checking Google Maps several times, we're back at Newgate Road. Nope, that's not the road either.
The loss is okay. Thank you.
Seeing fresh coconuts in Kathmandu was really unexpected, but Nepal has elevations all the way from sea level to Mount Everest. and all the climates to go along with it. I did eventually find my way back to my hotel. All's well that ends well. After all, getting lost is just another way of saying going exploring.